Hello, welcome to theenggprojects.com. Please subscribe our channel by clicking this button and support us. In this video tutorial, we will learn about the access specifier. Access specifier as the scope of accessibility of an object and its members. All C# type and type member have an accessibility level. We can control the scope of the member object of a class using access specifier. We are using access modifier for providing security of our application. When we specify the accessibility of a type or member, we have to declare it by using any of the access modifier provided by C# programming language. There are 5 access specifiers. First, the public. Public is the most common access specifier in C# programming language. It can be accessed from anywhere. That means there is no restriction on accessibility. The scope of the accessibility is inside class as well outside. The type of member can be accessed by any other code in the same assembly or an other assembly that refer it. It means if you have base class and drive class inherited from the base class, then you can access any public method or data type in drive class which is declared public as in base class. The next is private. The scope of accessibility is limited only inside the classes or struct in which they are declared. The private member cannot be accessed outside the class, and it is the least permissive access level. It means if you have drive and base class and you have declared any function private in the base class, then you can't access that function in drive class. The next is protected. The scope of accessibility is limited in protected within the class or struct and the class drive inherited from this class. It means if you have 2 base class and 1 drive class A, B and C, the A is the super base class, the B is derived from A class and C is derived from B class, then and you have declared any function in A as protected, then you can't access that function in C, but you can access that function in B which is directly inherited from the base class. The next is internal. The internal access modifier can access within the program that contain its declaration and also access within the same assembly level but not from another assembly level. It is simple as the public function. The next is protected internal. Protected internal is the same access level of the both protected and internal. It can access anywhere in the same assembly and in the same class, also the classes inherited from the same class.